I'm David with the BBQ Lab, and today I want to show you how we used a multitude of drawers from Renaissance Cooking Systems to build the outdoor kitchen of our dreams. One of my favorite drawers that we installed in our outdoor kitchen is called the Accessory and Tool Drawer. This drawer has a cutout dimension of 24 inches wide by 21 inches deep by 4 inches high. Now we stacked 4 of these drawers in a vertical column in the kitchen to store the tools that we need easy access to when we're cooking. One drawer is filled with spatulas, turners, smash burger, and griddle tools. We're in this drawer all the time whenever we're cooking on the griddle flat top. Another drawer is filled with the various thermometers and pit controllers that we've tested here at the lab. When we're cooking on a Kamado grill like we have installed over here, we use great temperature probes and meat probes for our low and slow cooks. In one drawer, we even found it to be a perfect home for our 17-inch cast iron pan that we use for large get-togethers. We didn't like leaving our cast iron out in the elements to rust, and the drawer keeps it right on hand whenever we need it and out of the elements when we don't. The accessory drawer is soft close, and I'm a fan of this. When we go shutting the drawers, they don't bang shut, they just catch and slowly roll close for the last few inches. If you've never had a soft close drawer before, they're a game changer. The drawer is made of 304 stainless steel and it's double lined. Another drawer that we installed is the double drawer and paper towel holder. At first glance, it seems like a traditional 3-drawer unit, but open the top drawer and you'll find a paper towel holder right where you need it. We placed this unit just to the right of where we keep our cutting board on the countertop. This is where we're prepping foods, cutting meat, serving guests, and more, and having a roll of paper towels on hand makes cleanup easy. The bottom 2 drawers are very similar to the accessory and tool drawers. They're soft close, made of 304 stainless steel and double lined as well. But one difference is that these drawers are fully enclosed. There's no top access to these drawers from inside the kitchen structure, so bugs and critters won't be able to find their way inside. This unit has a cutout dimension of 15.5 inches wide by 22 inches deep by 27.75 inches high. In our installation, we put a triple drawer right next to the paper towel and double drawer unit, so it looks like 2 columns of 3 drawers at first glance. The triple drawer is on the left, and instead of a paper towel door on top, it's simply a 3rd drawer. Since these units are located right where we shoot most of our recipe videos, we keep the things handy that we tend to use all the time. There's a few knives in the drawer, along with a couple of tools that we always find ourselves needing here in the kitchen. Everything from a Phillips screwdriver to open the access panels to fire starters for charcoal grills, it's all close by when we need it. Melissa has even taken over a drawer, it seems, when I wasn't looking, and it's full of paper plates, silverware, and all the other things I don't think of needing out here. Now, I'll admit, I've been in this drawer a few times and found it very useful, so well done, Melissa. This unit has the same cutout dimensions as the paper towel unit we just looked through, 15.5 inches wide by 22 inches deep by 27.75 inches high. The unit is made of 304 stainless steel, and it utilizes those lovely soft close drawers. It is double lined and is also fully enclosed to keep critters away. Now, all of the drawers that we've installed here in our kitchen come with a lifetime warranty, and I love that I don't have to worry about anything going wrong since RCS has me covered. You can find more details on the lifetime warranty on the rcsgasgrills.com website if you'd like to learn more. Now, one of the drawers that my kids and wife love more than any of the others is the narrow trash drawer. It just slides out when you need it, and it disappears when you don't. We used to just keep a trash bag tied around the back of a chair here on the patio, and that wasn't fun for anyone. Keeping things cleaned up was a drag, and when things were a mess, Mama wasn't happy. With this narrow trash drawer, everyone knows where the trash goes, and it's changed the cleanup dynamic when we're outside eating and entertaining. Before, we found that cups, trash, and other debris would blow off tables and find its way into our neighbors' yards before we could get to it. This drawer has a cutout dimension of 11.75 inches wide by 24 inches high by 19.5 inches deep. The door is double lined and it's made of 304 stainless steel. It comes with a plastic bin included, and it fits right inside the cutout to make sure it's not going to rock around whenever you open or close the drawer. This is not a soft close drawer, but that cutout really keeps that trash bin from moving around no matter how hard you close it. Now, right next to the trash drawer in our installation is the charcoal and pellet storage drawer. I wanted a place to store charcoal and pellets inside the outdoor kitchen so I wasn't always running around the house and into the garage to get more fuel when we needed it. Right now, we're using it as a wood pellet fuel drawer, and it has made filling up our pellet grill incredibly easy. We can just lift out the container of pellets, walk over to the grill, and pour them in whenever it's getting low. The container comes with the drawer, and I love that it has a pour spout built in. It's not just the convenience that I love about this drawer, it's also the fact that it keeps wood pellets close and out of the elements. If you've ever had wood pellets get wet or let humidity get to them, you know that it completely ruins the fuel for the grill and can do a lot of damage if they get down into the auger. With my pellets sealed in a Rubbermaid stout container, I know that my fuel is close and safe from any storm that blows through the outdoor kitchen. The pellet storage drawer has a cutout dimension of 11.5 inches wide by 25.25 inches deep and 24 inches high. This door is also double lined and made of 304 stainless steel, but it's important to mention that this is not a soft close drawer like many of the others that we've walked through in this video. Now, it's possible that I've saved one of the best for last year. This is the Kamado storage drawer, and it's capable of holding 600 pounds of grill on top of this unit. We made room for 2 Kamado grills on our outdoor kitchen. One of them we designed to be an XL style grill for when we wanted to cook with charcoal for family and friends. The other is designed for a standard large size Kamado, and that unit is still on the way. I was really drawn to these drawers because of their ability to stand up to just about any Kamado on the market. I'm not aware of a single Kamado that this drawer couldn't support. We have multiple XL size ceramic grills here at the BBQ Lab, and it holds them all with ease. This drawer is double lined and fully enclosed, so if you're like me and store bags of charcoal underneath, you won't have to worry about rain and water getting in to mess with your fuel. We found that the drawer is so large that in addition to 2 full bags of charcoal, we can fit other things like smoker wood chunks, aluminum foil, and many of the other things that we use all the time when we're outside cooking. Now, this is a soft close drawer, and even with a weight of 40+ pounds of charcoal inside, it still closes silently. The cutout dimensions are 30.25 inches wide by 27.5 inches deep and 19 inches high. If you'd like to see more videos of the appliances and accessories that we used for Renaissance cooking systems to bring our outdoor kitchen to life, check out the other videos on this channel. We put together a playlist so that you can explore the many options that RCS has to make your dream a reality.